Advanced English vocabulary refers to words and phrases that are more sophisticated, nuanced, and often less commonly used in everyday conversation. These words are typically found in academic writing, literature, professional settings, and formal speeches. They often have precise meanings that allow for more accurate and effective communication. For instance, instead of saying help, advanced vocabulary might use facilitate, assist, or aid, each conveying a subtle difference in context and intention. Learning advanced vocabulary involves not just memorizing definitions, but also understanding the contexts in which these words are used. Words like obfuscate, to make something unclear or obscure, or esoteric, intended for a small specialized group, can be difficult to grasp unless seen in context. Many advanced words have Latin or Greek roots, which can make them seem unfamiliar. But learning root words can help in understanding the meaning of new vocabulary. For instance, knowing that bean means good can help decipher words like benevolent or benefactor. Using advanced vocabulary effectively requires a balance between precision and clarity. Overloading. Conversations or writing with complex words can alienate or confuse an audience, especially if they are unfamiliar with the terms. However, using advanced vocabulary in the right context can enhance communication, making the speaker or writer sound more knowledgeable and articulate. For example, in a business meeting, using terms like synergy or paradigm shift can demonstrate familiarity with industry jargon. Incorporating advanced vocabulary into everyday use takes practice. Reading academic texts, literature, and professional journals exposes one to a variety of complex words. Additionally, tools like thesauruses, vocabulary-building apps, and flashcards can assist in learning new words. Ultimately, the goal of mastering advanced vocabulary is not to impress, but to convey ideas more effectively and with greater sophistication, thereby improving overall communication skills. Subscribe to English Planet on YouTube for engaging English learning content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Your feedback matters to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. If you have any query, you can write in comment.